Hey there, photography enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you troubleshoot and fix your favorite gadgets. Today, we're tackling a common issue with the Fujifilm Instax camera, that annoying orange flashing light. If you're seeing this in 2025, don't worry, it's often a simple fix that can get you back to snapping instant memories in no time. This problem usually signals something like low battery, a paper jam, or even a minor glitch, but we'll walk through the steps to resolve it step by step. First things first, let's check the basics. Start by powering off your Fujifilm Instax camera and removing the batteries. Give them a quick inspection. Are they low on charge? If so, replace them with fresh ones or recharge if they're rechargeable. Once that's done, turn the camera back on and see if the orange light stops flashing. This is the easiest fix and works about 80% of the time. If the light persists, we might have a paper jam on our hands. Open the film door carefully and check for any stuck film or debris inside. Gently remove anything that's blocking the way, but be super careful not to tear the film or damage the internals. After clearing it out, close the door and try taking a test shot. Still flashing? It's time for a reset. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until the camera turns off completely, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches. If your model supports it, check for firmware updates on the Fujifilm website. 2025 models might have new software patches to fix these issues. If none of these steps work, it could be a hardware problem. In that case, reach out to Fujifilm customer support or take it to a certified repair shop. Remember, always handle your camera with care to avoid future issues. There you have it. Your Fujifilm Instax should be flashing victory now, not orange. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting.